Hey y'all, just a quick little video here to show how easy it is to personalize one of these little Dollar Tree night lights. This one glows blue, but I believe I have seen online where you could get them white or pink. I'm not certain. My Dollar Tree didn't have that, but they do have this one. So we're gonna go with that. And I have used Paper Studio permanent vinyl today. And I'm actually testing this out. We'll see, I don't know. This is the Dollar Tree's transfer tape. I had some of it and I don't know, I mean, it does seem sticky-ish. We'll see what we get here. So I'm going to burnish down here, trying not to damage it. And do the back, do a quick front run. Let's see what we get here. It's not quite. This is my first experience with the Dollar Tree transfer tape, and I'm not sure quite yet what I think of it. I think it's gonna take it. I've seen some better, maybe seen some maybe worse too. So I'm just going to grab us a little quick surface here to level that slightly. So this is actually the Crafter Square or the Dollar Tree vinyl. So I'm just going to center it here on this and place it down. Smooth it out with my fingers just slightly. Then we will burnish it down. So these are fun to do for kids, or if someone is expecting, you could do something, you know, with a Bible verse for a baby, or just sweet dreams, just different things like that. So actually, not too bad on that. So I have to take back what I said. You can kind of see that it's definitely sticky. Just maybe my technique was not quite on. So you can see there, it's actually pretty cool how that little tiny cut changed that so much, and it's gonna glow very nicely. I actually cut this on the Cricut Joy, so I'm very happy with how it cut those intricate details there. So anyway, good little idea for different gift baskets or anything like that as well. So thank you all for watching.